Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna tell you what is future and options. Future and option is a type of derivatives, and I'll tell you what is derivative. Derivative is something, theoretically I'm telling you now, is a financial assets whose value is derived from underlying assets. And what is financial assets? Share bonds are financial assets, and underlying asset, as I can explain you in something. For example, if I have some knowledge and I'm giving you, so you will also get that knowledge. If I'll increase my knowledge, I'll give it to you, and then your knowledge will also increase. This is some correlation related underlining. This is called underlining assets. In the same way, so derivatives are of four types: forwards, future, option and swap. And future and option are only traded. Forward and swaps are not traded. So I will tell you why we need derivatives and what is the use of derivatives. Derivatives are used for two types. Why it is used? For speculation and for hedging. Speculation is like you are speculating something, matlab you are thinking market will go up or market will go down. So what you do is, if you think the market will go down, what you'll do is you'll sell it high and buy it low. For example, Nifty is at around 9,100. Now, today it is 9,030. So for example, I am speculating it will go around 8,800. So I'll sell it high and buy it 8,800. This is what people speculate. This is called short selling. Means selling it high, buying it low. And in the same way, it's like same thing, buying it low and selling it high. But what in derivatives, what we do is selling it high, short sale. This is called short sale. Sell high, buy low. So the thing is, see, this is speculating. For example, if I'm speculating that the market will go up, so I buy it this price and I'll sell it at a higher price. The second point is hedging. Why hedging? The hedging is come into derivatives, means the derivative has come just so that we can hedge the risk. So hedging the risk is like, for example, I have bought a share of 10 lakhs or 1 crore, and now the price has gone down, and now it is trading at around 70 lakhs, or if I have invested 10, so it has been trading for 7 lakhs. So what I have to hedge them, that is when I come into derivatives, so that I can reduce the risk by buying or selling the futures. This is what it is. Hedging has come into, derivatives have come into. So the main difference in hedging and speculation is that it is the only intention, nothing else. Some hedging is done to reduce the risk. Speculation is done means just that the market is going up and high, so they buy and sell as per that. And that's all. I'll explain the call, put, strike price in my next video. Thank you.